Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Happy February. As you can see behind me, I have a Valentine's Day theme backdrop, and that is very appropriate considering my Valentine's themed unboxing. My design team kit from Scrap Diva Designs has arrived. I'm so excited that Erica has asked me to collaborate with her on showcasing some of her latest dies because I am a huge fan of all of her die cuts. If you've watched my channel, you will have seen the mileage that I got out of her sand pail die. I used it for Christmas, for Valentine's Day, for birthdays. I made gifts for teachers. Like, you wouldn't believe how many uses that summer themed sand pail was able to produce, considering I used it for everything but summer. So I'm going to walk you through. Now, I don't know what is in this package, so we are unboxing it together. And actually, the very first thing that I see is something very exciting. So I am actually working with the Rowan Tree Collective. It's a group of autistic individuals who are older, and they have a community that comes together, and they do a number of different worthwhile community endeavors. They might go and make sandwiches for one of the local food banks, or they will do crafts or exercises. And I am working with them to do a Valentine's craft coming up. So I'm actually really happy to see these stamps, because then we can have a unique message inside of each and every card, or on the outside of each and every card that they make. So yay, and that's perfectly timed because I am working on that right now. The other thing it's perfectly timed for is my Secret Cupid swap. I'm partnered with Rachel Tallman, and she is also in the same country and province. So it's a group of women that are doing this Valentine's swap, and I'm just getting her package ready to ship off any day now. So yay for these fun dies to be able to start creating some Valentine's themes Happy Mail. I've already done quite a few Happy Mail projects, and a lot of what you'll see in the background has come from previous Secret Cupid swaps as well. So these here are a really cute pennant die. I have seen these in a number of different themes, and now Erica has them in Valentine's theme. It doesn't have to just be Valentine's. The thing I absolutely love about Valentine's Day crafting or theme, love or kiss or date or cute or hugs, these are things that don't have to be exclusive to Valentine's Day alone. So it's really nice to be able to craft with these products. So here's something that is very exclusive to Galentine's, again with the Secret Cupid swap, perfectly themed for that. So we have some more stamps that I can put to use. I love that heart one that says, I love you. Oh, okay. If I'm not mistaken, this is a mailbox. Now, how perfect is this for Polka Dot Mailbox? I am going to have to definitely create one of these in polka dots. So I love 3D dies. They're actually one of my favorite projects to create. So I'm super excited to be able to do something with that. And then we have this adorable die with the lips. If you've watched any of the other designers that have been working with it, I have seen some really cute shaker boxes, mini albums, all kinds of gorgeous things created with this kissable die. So what fun to have that now part of my collection. You can see all of the different lipsticks there on the side. Isn't that adorable? And then even comes with some words, smooch and kiss. Fantastic. Yay, I'm so glad. This is the die I was actually most hoping would be part of my design team kit. This is a candy box. Now, talk about versatile dies. This doesn't have to be exclusive to just Valentine's Day. It does have, ooh, it has Christmas magic and treats. Oh, and it's got, look at this. It's got a bow that you can create. That is amazing. And in fact, this isn't what I thought it was actually. This is something similar. This is what I thought was the candy box die. Yay! So I did get that one. But this is another Christmas magic treat. This is a different treat box. Whoa, that's fantastic. So I look forward to seeing which one this is. I can picture what it's gonna look like together. Yes, I do know which die this is. So yay for both of these. This is the candy box die. And the thing that I was saying about hearts, they're good any time of year. So I'm really happy that to have this box, and I won't just use it for Valentine's Day. This will be something that will carry me through actually a lot of different holidays. I managed to get, and this is the good thing about Christmas time, they always put all of their like Christmas chocolates and stuff on sale. So I go and scoop up a lot of those. I just got a bunch of Quality Street ones, and then I take them out of their tins and I put them into handmade paper crafting 3D packages that are perfect for the holiday. So I'm not spending a lot of money on packaging, and the chocolates are perfectly good. And in our house, chocolates aren't going to last very long. So I'm going to be busy working on Valentine treats for my kids with those candy boxes. I also got this die. One thing that I really, really love about Erica's dies, if you look really close, you can see the stitching. And I find that added detail of the stitching is such a beautiful element that really makes a big difference on crafting. So I'm really ecstatic to be able to use this. It's a great die to be able to use for background layering, to really give weight to creation. You need something to sort of draw the focal point and tie it into the background. And I find that this kind of a circle die is a really good way to accomplish that. Oh, yay. These are amazing. I'm so glad to have these word dies. Again, will come in very handy on my up and coming project. So these are just a great accessory to add on to the other projects that I'm going to use. And this will come in very handy when I'm making my card workshop, because then they can put their sentiment right on the cover as part of the design. So excited for that. And then we have some beautiful hearts that have their arrows. So you can create like with one of those paper straws, which are so easy to find now because paper straws are the new replacement to plastic. So you can easily find paper straws, and that's something that you can create a bow and arrow with a heart-shaped tip with those. And then last but not least, oh, we have some more word dies. Those are amazing. So that is fantastic. I am super glad to be able to create with all of these. This one does have the Galentine, the XO, Adore, Be Mine, Love You. Amazing. So these are all dies from Erica at Scrap Diva. I will leave a discount code down below if you want 10% off your order. You can use Polka Dot Mailbox 10 when you're checking out. And yeah, so Scrap Diva Designs, stay tuned for my amazing Valentine's collection creations that are coming with these dies. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.